So what is random number? Random number, Python doesn't have a random function to make a random number. However, Python has a built-in module called random. We can import that module and we can use it to produce random number. Let's see how we can do it. It's very simple. uh, int import sorry import random. So random is imported in our module, uh, in a shell, sorry. So we can produce random number, random dot random range. So number between 1 and 10 will be generated. We can do it multiple time, we can generate it. Okay, if we say, then it will be generated 100 and 100 between a number between 1 and 100. We can change the initial condition also, the initial range also. We can say it is 90, so the number between would be between 90 and 100. Understood? So it is we can print it, random number print underscore random. Okay. Thank you.